You're starting a project, but you will never scale your app on a standard free tier database like Supabase. You think you're gaming the system with free limits, but you're actually building a house of cards that collapses the moment traffic hits. And what if I tell you that you can have unlimited projects, unlimited database tables for free for life? So basically, a free Supabase for life. Well, that's where the Postbase comes in. You go to getpostbase.com, click on Get Started for Free. It'll take you to the Postbase GitHub repository. Click on Deploy on Railway and click on Deploy button. You do not have to configure anything. Everything is already set up for you. Once you click on Deploy, it will take few minutes to get your backend Postgres with a volume configured for you. And then on top of it, it will deploy the Postbase application wrapper. So let me pause it here, and then once it is deployed, I'll show you how it looks like. So this is how it looks like once it is deployed. Once it is deployed, you will have a Railway URL to access it. You can click on it and it will take you to the Postbase dashboard. Install this template. You have to register with your email address. So let me do that here. Perfect. And then you just log in with your details. Perfect. Now, as you can see here, you can create as many organizations as you want. So we're going to create Acme INC. It automatically creates the slug. Once you create it, you can create new project. Let's say first project. And that's pretty much it. You can create multiple projects inside this organization, or you can create multiple organizations and then create multiple projects. Once it is done, you can click on the project and it will take you to the admin panel where you have more than 35 auth providers: Box, Dropbox, Twitch, Microsoft, Apple, LinkedIn. And Apple actually works with native React Native apps also, so you don't have to worry about that too. In terms of email settings, you can either opt in for a simple SMTP, or you can configure your AWS SES keys with IAM access key or SMTP credential. Both works very good. Then you can create your template and look at how your email templates look for different emails going out of this portal with variable fallbacks here. Here is your users database table for your users for this particular project. Here is your database itself. You have functions, triggers, emerald types, extensions, indexes, publication, what else. You can either create one manually, or you can run SQL directly in the SQL editor to create these tables. Storage part is the best part, which I love the most, because you can add as many storages as you want in your Postbase, because this lets you connect your Blackbase, Google Cloud Storage, S3 compatible storage, Cloud R2, Amazon S3, whatever you want, and that will become your storage. From an integration perspective, it runs the node cron, so you can create your cron jobs here very easily. You have your API keys, audit logs, settings for the project, and you can delete the project here, and a very simple Swagger definition if you do not want to use the Postbase SDKs. Now, one of the best feature I like about it is you can click on these three dots and copy the whole project. What it does, it copies the table, data, function, triggers, policies, even users if you want to. And you can choose which organization you want it to copy inside. And the same way, you can also delete it. So that's Postbase in less than 5 minutes. If you have any other questions, let me know. Peace.